Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find sound and voice settings on Waze. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Waze app on your device. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This menu icon is your gateway to all the main settings and features within Waze, so it's an important spot to remember. After tapping the menu icon, a sidebar will appear with several options. Look for the option labeled Settings and tap on it. This will take you into the main settings area where you can customize various aspects of your Waze experience, from navigation preferences to display options. Now, within the settings menu, you'll see an option called Voice and Sound. Tap on it to access all the audio-related settings for your navigation. This section is where you can control everything about how Waze communicates with you during your drives, making it one of the most useful customization areas in the app. Once you're in the voice and sound settings, you'll notice a section labeled Voice at the top. This is where you can change the current voice that guides you during navigation. Waze offers a variety of voice options, from celebrity voices to different accents and languages. You can even record your own voice if you want a completely personalized navigation experience. Simply tap on Voice and explore the available options, or follow the prompts to record your own directions. Below the voice section, you'll find an option to adjust the spoken directions. Here you can choose how much information Waze provides during your drive. You have four options to choose from: Normal, which gives you all standard navigation instructions; Less Chatty, which reduces the amount of commentary; Only Alerts, which limits voice guidance to important warnings and notifications; or Off, which completely silences spoken directions. Choose whichever option best suits your driving style and preference. Next, you'll see an option to adjust voice commands. This feature allows you to control how Waze responds when you use voice input to interact with the app. Customizing this setting can make your hands-free experience smoother and more responsive to your specific needs. Further down, you can adjust the guidance volume. This slider lets you control how loud or quiet the navigation voice is, independent of your phone's overall volume. This is particularly useful if you want Waze to be louder than your music or quieter during phone calls. You'll also find several toggle options here. The first is Play Sound to Phone Speaker, which directs all Waze audio through your phone's speaker rather than through Bluetooth or other connected devices. Next is Mute Waze during calls, which automatically silences navigation instructions when you're on a phone call, ensuring you can hear the other person clearly. Finally, there's a Show on the Map toggle, which controls certain visual audio indicators that appear during navigation. And that's it. You've now customized all your sound and voice settings in Waze to match your preferences. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.